this is the day 2 of Varkala. I went to Inda Cafe for breakfast, but वहाँ पे light नहीं थी तो मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं बैठी. I just had a pancake. The food is really good, but the place is okay. Like I think it's overhyped. And then I came to another place. I forgot the name of the place. I've come here for pizza. I've heard really good reviews about it. This is my OOTD. This is the property.
This is the open shower area. It's so cute. This is me.
So this place was a little out of my budget, but since it was my birthday, I was like, okay, I can spoil myself. The concept is actually very cute. It's built inside a container like a cozy home in a box. And outside there was this huge open area, garden, and even a jacuzzi, which was the best part. Also the view, oh my god, so nice. I could see the whole sea meeting the sky.
So I slept for like 2 hours. I'm well rested now. I got ready for my birthday. Not brunch exactly, sundowner food kind of. I'm gonna head out now. Already. Let's go.
So I had an early dinner at this beautiful place called Cafe Sarwaa, and everything about it was a straight 10 on 10. I mean, the food, the drinks, the view, and the service also was just perfect. It is one of those places you don't wanna miss, and I mean, look at this view. For food, I tried their salad and an Oreo shake, which, by the way, both of them were amazing. And then I just spent some time there sitting, gazing at the sky because the sky looked so absolutely beautiful. Then I left, and there was this place called Yog Shala, which was very beautifully decorated just right outside Sarva. I will include the clips later. Then I went back home and I was just chilling because the next day I had planned kayaking for myself and I had to wake up at 5 and I really did not want to miss it. The next morning I left pretty early and I booked with Mangroove Village Adventure Park. The place was very beautiful and affordable as well. I think I paid around 700 to 800 bucks for my experience.
Welcome to Mangrove Village Adventure Park. I am
Thank.
Mahendran. I am here working as a trainer. You are taking a mangrove kayaking. We are starting from here. This is the main river. This one's called Itikara River. In Mangrove Island, 1.5 kilometer away from here. It's up and down traveling 3.8 kilometers. Time taken 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, it's a
After kayaking, I came back to my stay completely drenched. It started raining like crazy, but honestly, I did not mind it at all. I don't regret a single second of it. The whole experience was just surreal, and I absolutely enjoyed it.
I am checking out from this place where I stayed yesterday. Now I am going a little further from here. I'm gonna stay at an Airbnb Tira. It's a beautiful place. And for today, I've planned lots of things. I have to go to the Jatayu Art Center or Earth Center, I think. Then I have planned a spa for myself.
So this is my next stay, Tira, and honestly, I think I outdid myself again. I somehow managed to find another absolutely stunning property. I mean, look at this view. Also, I think each place on this trip just kept getting better and better, and I couldn't believe I was staying at this beautiful property. Oh, and it started raining again, which was a bonus.
I just wanted to show you the view. This is the view from the bedroom. I am heading for a spa right now because I was very tired. And Varkal actually offers quite a variety of spas, so I was excited and I booked one for myself. It's by Cafe Sarwaa, it's called Prana. Let's see.
Take the next left, then slide right.
I went to Gramam for my spa. I came to know that Sarva has actually opened a new spa branch and I wanted to experience it. And the moment I walked in, it felt so quiet and peaceful. And they welcomed me with a drink which was made of coconut water and butterfly pea. And oh my god, it tasted so refreshing. About my experience, it was really nice and I definitely recommend it. After the spa, I went to a temple which was actually 3000 years old, but I couldn't record anything because cameras were not allowed, and then more rains. And now this brings to the end of my trip.